How to turn off or on notification for promotions on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on easy and quick. First open Truecaller and then now just click on your profile here, and after that click this settings icon and then click messaging, and here we'll find notification for promotions, and that's it. You can enable it or disable it, easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.